So the next question is third question, B part, with neat block diagram show how typical input and output blocks are connected to a microcontroller unit. So you have to give the it is asked for 7 marks. So it is better to give the overall block diagram and the other two diagrams which indicates the connection of your input device and your output device using your ADC and DAC. Okay. So here you have your main CPU, the heart of the microcontroller, CPU, memory and clock. So here you have the main control program which controls MUSI, and to this you have, to the CPU you have your input port, input devices connected to through your input ports, and your output devices connected through your output ports. So what are your input devices? Examples are switches, sensors and keypads, and whereas your output devices are indicators, speakers and relays. So you have the next two diagrams which will consist of sometimes the sensor will be having ADC inbuilt. Okay. So your analog signal, that is your sensor input or your input signal will be converted, analog input signal will be converted into digital signal through your ADC, and which will be connected to your input port. So this is your connection of your input signal. So whereas the output signal is given back by means of your original signal will be fed back by means of using your DAC, or it is digital to analog. The digital signal will be converted back to your analog signal. So the detailed explanation is available in the playlist. So you can write the important points for the 7 marks question.